design of this van inspired by tropical island.
For me, van life is as close to nature as we can.
Hi guys, we are Sofia and Dennis. Together we created Tiny Planet Van Conversion Company. This is our van where we live in. So welcome in, we will show you the tour. Welcome to our kitchen. Kitchen is really big. We have big countertop made by Korean. This is acrylic stone. 2-burner induction stove. Deep quartz sink. Lots of cabinets, drawers. And very cool feature of our van, we have a dishwasher. The dishwasher uses less water than if you wash dishes by hands. I every day cook pasta, so for cooking pasta I need at least 2-burner induction stove. It's perfect for us. I really love it and appreciate we have it. The deep quartz sink is really deep and enough to store all your dirty dishes, but we don't need it because we have a dishwasher. I love the material of countertop. We used it for the first time, Korean. It's very easy to clean. It doesn't stain. It's really perfect. The backsplash of the kitchen is made by natural stone veneer. Imagine this is a natural stone. You can feel it, touching it. We put the refrigerator in a high position because you use it very often during the day and it's very convenient. The fridge is quite big. You can store food up to 1 week. We have a small freezer too. In the kitchen we have 4 pantries. One is small for all the spices, oil, and 3 big pantries. This one I use for like cooking stuff, like dry food. This thing I use for cosmetics and all the things. And one more, it's a wine rack. And also it's a step to climb on the bed. All the drawers have soft close mechanism as at home, and we have very heavy-duty magnetic lock for all the drawers, so they will never open while we are driving. In this upper cabinet, we store all the dishes, glass rack, and it looks very homey. So these 2 upper cabinets, we use bins to organize our stuff. So this is for me, this is for Dennis, and also we have a wardrobe that you can put some clothes that you want to keep very tight. This is our living room. In the living room we have a place to sit up to 4 people. So here is the bench for 2 people. This bench you can push it down and make it as a single place to sit. Like this. This is a lagoon table to work on the computer, eat, and sit in front of each other together. And if you have guests, so you create a bench and you can sit here. Both of their seats has swivel. We have one more table right here. So for 4 people, it's perfect place to hang out, have dinner, and have some fun. This bench also can be additional place to sleep, so we just push this driver's seat a little bit forward and it creates a single bed for 1 person. We have a nice sliding window and curtains that you can close and have a full privacy. Here we have this light bar. You can change colors and create different mood. We love it. On the ceiling we have a max air fan that create a nice breeze if you open sliding window in the bedroom, and it also uses like an exhaust while we are cooking.
Van life was my idea in the beginning, and I introduced this idea to Sofia, and she was not surprised, and she was not very happy with the idea living in a van. Then I tried to show her nice YouTube videos how people enjoy van life, and we decided to build our van.
Yeah, our first van we built by ourselves in the garage in Los Angeles, and it took us like 2 months. Then we went to travel. All people were admiring our van, like, oh my god, guys, it's so cool. We love your van. Some people told us like it's the best van they have ever seen. Then we made a video, posted on YouTube. We got so many compliments about some features of our van, especially the sliding toilet, and people called it genius, like, oh my god, genius toilet. How did you come up with this idea? And we decided like to keep doing it. So our first client appeared from YouTube. He just wrote in the comments like, guys, could you please build the same van for me? And we established a company. We started a company called the Tiny Planet and started build vans for people who want to join this van life community. So, and then one client by other client, and we are just keep doing our best. We improve our new van, add some new features, new technologies. And I would say this van, in what we are living right now, is the best van we have ever built. This is our bathroom. Our bathroom, I believe, is the smartest feature in our van. First of all, it's very big. It's really huge. It's comfortable to take a shower. And we have a roll-up door. So you close it and you have your privacy. The shower stall walls made by the same natural stone as we used for backsplash. It's very lightweight. It's only 2 millimeters. It's like a veneer. It's absolutely new material, a special order for us for this van. This shower head that we use in all our vans is very efficient. It uses only 0.4 gallons per minute. It creates a mist. I will show you right here. So you have a really spa-like experience in this shower. We have 43 gallons of fresh water tank and 20 gallons of gray water tank. It's enough to take shower every day for both of us up to 5 days. And we have one more cool feature. Where is the toilet? Try to guess. Toilet is hidden right here. So you push to open the door and you pull the toilet. This is waterless toilet, tiny by separate. So it's similar to composting toilet, but there is no composting material. So it's just 2 separate containers, number 1 and number 2. And in container number 2, you put a garbage bag and you just throw it away. There is a fan that ventilation that sucks all the air outside the van, so this toilet never smells. Lots of people, they build shower in the vans and toilet, but they never use it. I would say that we live in this van like in real house. So we use shower every day, both of us, and toilet every time we need it. So we don't sacrifice our comfort living in a van. We live here full time and absolutely enjoy our bathroom experience. Welcome to our bedroom. To climb up on the bed, we have a wine rack, but this is also a step. And one more cool thing. So if you open this pantry, you can have a table to put a cup here. So you just lay down, drink your tea before going to sleep. This is a full-size bed. We installed just 1 flares on one side, so the length of the bed now is 74 inches. Memory foam mattress, it's very comfortable place to sleep. So in both niches of the bed, we have LED bar, so you can change the light. I like it, I like playing with light in this van. I understood how to live like small, like to have everything you need in a backpack. Because tiny kind of living teach you that you don't need so many things that you don't use. So you need just small amount of personal items to live comfortable. And this is the most interesting thing that I learned from van life. Van life is a great community. Van life community is so warm that if you meet someone on the road, you immediately become friends with these people. All the people are so kind, so friendly. We found so many friends living on the road, and we really enjoy this kind of life.
For me, van life is to be as close to nature as we can. I prefer staying off-grid in a forest or in the mountains than staying in a city. To open the door, enjoy the breath of fresh air in the forest. I feel more calm doing my work and doing my business during van life than work from office in the city. Now I'm going to explain some technical part of this van, and the main feature of this van is heated floors that we have here. It is a hydronic heated system. The diesel heater heats glycol that circulate, and it heats water, air, and floor. We have a Timberland diesel heater, and this screen we use to control water, the heater itself, and we can control temperature, so it will start automatically when it will be cold inside. In this van we have a 12-volt AC unit. It is a marine AC unit, cruise and comfort. We like this AC because it is undermount, so we don't have anything on the roof, and it is controlled by this screen. It's very convenient. It uses just 45 amps. Here we have a AC vent, and we designed it such way so during the night you can face it to the bed and you will cool down just the bed area, or during the day you face it to the kitchen area and you will cool down the kitchen area first. So welcome to our garage. Here we designed as much space as we can, and actually the garage space was designed around my mountain bike. Here on the left side we have a 43 gallons water tank and water system and heated system. This is our AC unit behind this box, and this is all our electrical part. We use the best marine industry devices by Victron. Everything is very safe and efficient. We have 3 ways to charge our battery system. We have 600 watts of solar panels on the roof. We have DC-DC charge controllers that charge our batteries while we're driving the van. And we have also a plug. We face all switches to this side, so it's easy accessible if you open the rear door. Also, the main switch is accessible from the bed.
On the roof of the van, we have a custom-made roof rack with roof deck covered by artificial grass. Also, we have a sunbeds to enjoy the sun, lie down like this on the grass and enjoy the fire pit as well. So we have a hook to install the fire pit / grill and enjoy this view with the fire. And plus, one more cool thing, we have a driving range. So we installed a pin for the ball and we use biodegradable balls to play golf from our roof van. So now we're living in this van full time, and we are traveling around, like cruising between all our shops that we have. So we have now 3 shops in Sacramento, north of California, Big Bear, south of California, and Phoenix, Arizona. So we are kind of like keep doing our business, cruising around these shops. So it's a kind of business trip, but full-time van life as well. So we are trying to like spend more time with nature outside, living off-grid. If you really liked our van, we have Some of options available right now listed for sale. Visit our website tinyplanet.group to see what vans we have available right now, to see all the options and get an estimate to build the van of your dream. Follow us on Instagram, tinyplanet.group, and YouTube channel, tinyplanet.group, to see more elaborate and chic conversions we do. Thank you for coming and touring our home.